Hello everybody and welcome to Granny chapter 2. I said let's go for an easy mode with both Granny and Grandpa. This would be my first playthrough. Yes, and thank you for the support in my first video. It got over 100 views, which is amazing, and I really appreciate it. You guys are my support. And let's get into this video. Day 1. Let's do this. Okay, let me go and check if in the boat I mean, is there some items there. If there's some items, maybe like a crowbar or the duct tape, because I think we'll be going for the helicopter escape. Nothing at all. Thought there would be something, but nothing. Anyways, let's call them over here. Just in case. Oh, grandpa. Gotta go to the bed or a bench. I think it's a bench. Grandpa. Yeah, Grandpa is gone. Let's go and check on Granny. Is Granny right there? Just have to wait for it to pass, and then we press the Iron Maiden. I think that's what it's called. Iron Maiden. Let's go. Yep, switch it on. Granny, I think she passed. Grandpa is gone. Let's go. Let's check if there's something here. Nothing. Let's check. There's something. Gasoline can. Yeah. Let's check here. Nothing. Hope we get the crowbar. Not the okay. The helicopter keys, that's also fine. Let's call Granny there. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and comment what I should play next. Anyways, nothing there that I actually need. Let's check here. Hand wheel, don't need that. Just throw that down there. Let's check here. Sometimes there's the teaser here. Nothing. Oh, Granny. Open. Hey, I'm cooked. Granny is not touching me. Let's see if I can move a little bit forward. Just a little. Oh, yeah. That was a glitch. A surprising glitch. Day 2. Oh, by mistake. Didn't know she was gonna come there. Let's go. Yep. Okay, just waiting for them now. Nothing. Granny? Yeah, so Grandpapa, so let's go upstairs. I never checked up the kitchen cabinets, so let's check there. There's nothing there. Let's check here. Spark plug. Do I need that? No, I don't need it. Let's call Granny there. Let's go down. This can also be a hiding place. I know that this can be a hiding place. See, glass fuse, we'll need that. See, oh, piece of the picture. Yes, stun gun. Let's go. Make some noise for Granny. Granny. Now she's scared of me. Like, she's not coming. Oh, she's in the feeding the baby. Yeah, she sees me. She's dead. Now we have to wait for Grandpa. It's Grandpa. And nicely. He's dead. Just need the keys. Yep. Let's go and open the security closet or room. I think I'll call it a closet. Let's open the security closet. Nothing in that drawer. Let's close the door. Let's check. Oh yeah, they died. Forgot. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Cobra. Let's check if there's something in these drawers. Boat key. Don't need that. Nothing. Let's go open the crates. I think there's duct tape. Pray there's duct tape, because then I don't know where else duct tape spawns. Yes, duct tape. Let's go. Let's put it up close to the helicopter, or the closest we can get to the helicopter, because we still need the glass fuse and still need to shoot the target range, all those stuff. Check. Let's get the helicopter key. Let's go put it close to the helicopter, because let's call Granny right there. Let's call Granny. Let's go before think Granny is in. No, she's not there yet. Let's put this up. Close to the duct tape. Now we just need the gasoline can up here. If you want me to go back to Granny 2 and also Granny 1 to play extreme mode, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Granny is on my tail. Let's go under the bed. Yeah, she won't get me. I'm too quick for her. Too quick. Close that door. Let's go down stairs. That was another glitch. Let's get the picture. Let's just make some noise. Let's get this grandpa. Let's get the stun gun ready. Let's pick up the gun again. Granny's gone. Grandpa. Daisy. Let's kill him now. Go. The picture. This grandpa is fed, can't pass through him. Come on, disappear already. Go with your wife. Come on. Finally. That was another glitch. Is that glitch? Let's go and put the picture where it belongs. Let's just drop it and get the other pieces of the picture. There's another one here. Drop it there. And the last piece of the picture is on the table, the coffee table. Granny and them have a 1990s television right here. I think the one in Granny 1 was better. Let's check in this door. Helicopter manual. Yes. Because without the helicopter manual, you crash the plane and you can no more go with the helicopter ending. Let's go through this with the other pictures. No, let's put this up or this Granny. I don't know why, but they go to the kitchen for some reason. Okay, there she.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Scoot. Let's go. Sorry, I was just checking something. Let's put the middle piece of the picture first. Let's get the bottom or the top piece. Don't know. There was this glitch last time because this is not my first playthrough. It's like my it's my sixth playthrough. Where granny. No. I think the glitch happened. No, yeah, the letter is there. Can you imagine? Yeah, I'll have to restart because in this glitch can't even move. It's not the first time I occurred with this glitch. Have to restart. Yep. Like it's playthrough 7, but I won't show you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 because if I show you that will be like a 2-hour long thing, and I never recorded those parts. Those parts are corrupted. I don't know why. Let's get back into the video because we're so close. This close to getting all the items we need. That's because of that granny. What does she even kidnap us, Like, why we're in Slendrina's cellar all over again? But it's kidnapping life of this same guy. Anyways, this new playthrough. Let's see if there's finally something in the boat area. Hi, squid guy. Glass fuse, let's go. We'll need that. Let's call Granny. It's lucky that also Grandpa hears this. Don't worry, guys. I won't be playing always on a phone. I'll get a laptop soon so we can start to play more modified and more good looking games. Like I'll even be live streaming. So yeah, when I reach that 50 subscribe. Oh, nothing there. Let's go quick. Speed run this thing. Boat key, don't need that. Nothing. You're trash. Helicopter manual, nothing. And nothing. Well done. Let's check here. Let's go. Weapon key. Let's go. First weapon down. Gasoline can. 2 things down. I think we can speed run this thing. Let's get the weapon key. Granny's gonna be going to check that sound. You get the weapon key. There she. Let's go down to the shower. The shower thing. I don't know why they have the shower vapor going into the bedroom. That's weird. Instead of going outside. Let's go. Let's see. Helicopter key. Let's go. Let's open up. At least I've watched some Thick Noodles videos, so I know a little bit about this game. Like Thick Noodles is one of the greatest horror players ever, but he's mostly known for his Roblox. Let's get the shotgun. Let's get Granny. Gone. Now your dashing bald knight is gonna come to save the day. Now where is he? Come on, dashing bold knight. This Grandpa. Good aim. Fire. Dead. Let's get that key. Perfect position to get the key. go. Let's go open the security closet. Let's check if there's something here. There's always nothing there. Oh, safe key. Let's go open the safe. Let's see how much money we get. Tell me how much money. And we got a freaking door handle. Wow, amazing. Out of all places to put your door handle, you put it in a safe where there's supposed to be money. Can you imagine? Let's go. Door lock, also useless. There's nothing in this clock. We already know that. Let's check. I think piece of the picture. There's no piece of the picture. Wow, this is the worst seed I could get in Granny. Worst seed. Okay, maybe not the worst seed. Like I got the Shogun. Get it? Like Shogun, like Kori Kinshin. You know. I have Uncle Jukes. Anyways, let's reload the shotgun. No, wait, I don't got Uncle Jukes. I got Grandpa Jukes.
Oh my god.
Get it? Anyways, must we go to the security room? Yeah, I think let's go there. Let's go up the ladder. Boat steering wheel. Wow. Very good. Very sweet. Yes, I wanted to go with the boat. No, I wanted to go with the speedboat there. Because go vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's shoot. Never mind. I don't think. Anyways, let's stop with the jokes. And let's be serious now. Don't think they're spawn yet. Woo. Let's go down. I think I wanna kill them first before I start to search for the pictures. Guys, when I'm done with the Granny series, which my last two Grannies are going to be Granny 3 and Slendrina X, comment down below what do you think, which horror game or what any game I could play right now on mobile, please, not on laptop yet, because the laptop is not here yet. Maybe it's gonna come next month or next month, but I'll try to get it as soon as possible. But please let me know. Maybe I can play the whole Slendrina series right over again. Or let's play Five Nights at Freddy 1, 2, and 3 maybe. You know, let's get that level 20 on all of them action, you know. Anyways, let's get the pictures, put them in the room, get the glass fuse, and we steal their helicopter to go to the Bahamas, you know, to go to America. No, America, the place that banned Africa. See, like me now, can't go there because I'm African, you know, African. Let's do this.
One more time and
Pieces of the pictures. Sorry for the noise. It's my two brothers and my sister making noise. My sister, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button in the last video. Anyways, Enough with the cringe. Let's look for those pieces of the picture. Oh, there's the last one. Thought it was downstairs, like on the coffee table again. But anyways, let's put the pieces of the pictures back up. Let's get the glass fuse. Let's put all the things, the petrol, put duct tape, which will not even lead us to America to go there illegally. No, because me, I'm pure African. Okay, now that. So let's climb up there. Get all the pieces of the picture. Oh, also the targets. Yeah, the target range. So I need a shotgun for that. Last piece of the picture. Let's put this up here. Done. Let's go. Let's get the shotgun. Let's do this. Now let's go and kill them. I mean, kill the targets. I think I can make it 3 in a row. 3 in a row. If you think I can do it 3 in a row, hit that like button. Come on. Perfect. Perfect. One last one, one last one. It's filled up. Come on. Don't worry. Still 3 in a row. Yeah, you see, 3 in a row. That's when you have to subscribe also. Because I didn't lie. Let's go. Let's go down. Wait. Let's get one more. Let's kill Granny and Grandpa for the last time. I think this will be the last time. Let's see if I think. Let's go down. Yeah, no one.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Oh, the gasoline can is there. Drop the... Oh, glass fuse is there. Forgot where I put the glass fuse. Let's drop that. A million times. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, Granny. Granny, Granny. You're gone. Where's your dashing bald knight? You're dashing Saitama. Come on. Yes, Saitama. Saitama is gone. Anyways, let's first get the... What should I get first? What did you say? Helicopter key, yeah. Helicopter key. Just have to thing. Put it back up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's use. Let's do this. The phone is about to die. Scared. Gasoline can. Come on. Come on. Why can't this player run? Why can't this player run? Let's get the glass fuse. Up. Up the stairs we go. Come on. Come on. Yo, I was about to fall right there. Yes, put that in. Let's go and get everything we need. Everything we need. Come on, we have to go to Africa with my brothers and sisters, and we toy the house. Come on, duct tape. Duct tape. Gonna hold us for 5 hours. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Gasoline can. Let's refill the helicopter quick. Very quick. Now while I fuel, why don't you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so it goes white and the like button goes blue. Let's see that. Let's yeet the can out. Let's get the helicopter keys and let's go to Africa. Let's go. Let's quickly start the engine. Bye bye granny, bye bye grandpa. See you never. Maybe see you. Thanks for the military helicopter and bringing my brothers and sisters back to beat you up. Bye bye. If you enjoyed that video, comment down below what I should play next, and see you later.